What's up, you guys? So I had this idea over the weekend. It's Monday morning. I'm still a little bit sick from last weekend. I know I didn't upload my video on Sunday. I woke up last week in the middle of an asthma attack and I was dealing with that all last week. So I had this idea that I might try vlogging my week and doing like a small business vlog and see how it goes. So right now, like I said, it's Monday morning. I'm getting ready to write down what I have to do for the day. I'm going to go through my Etsy orders and see what I have and then get started on my workday. So my first Etsy order I need to get started on is a 30-ounce skinny bling cup. And this is going to be one of the honeybee cups. Skinny bling lid. And then this one is going to have 3D bees on it. So I have two different bee options with my honeybee cups. I have the 3D bees with the cute little rhinestones on them. And then I have just flat decal bees that I print out on water slide. So this one wants the 3D bees. I also have another order for a friend of mine, and she is getting a 20-ounce skinny honeybee with the flat bees. So I think I have 3 bee cups to work on today. Honeybee, flat bees. Okay. So I'm going to go back and look at my Etsy orders. I'm recording on my phone. I'm going to try it out. I usually do all my YouTube videos on my camera, but we'll see. And I keep looking the wrong direction. I'm looking over here. My camera's over there. I'm going to go back and look at my Etsy orders, and I'll be right back. So I had an Etsy order come in over the weekend where one person ordered 3 cups. I'm super excited about that. And they want a 20-ounce curve with my Galaxy, not just a phase cup. They also want a 20-ounce curve beach split cup, which is here on my YouTube, as well as that Galaxy one. And they also want a 20-ounce honeybee cup. They asked for a handle on this one, and they also put that they wanted a bling cup. So I'm going to message them and see what they want to do, because I do not have bling lids in the handle cups. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and message that customer, and then I'm going to get started glittering these cups. I also have these super cute keychains that you guys will see in a video. I'm not sure which one will go up first, if it's going to be these keychains or this vlog, but I also have to package these up and get them shipped today. I think these turned out so freaking cute. This one is my favorite, this rose gold, and then this little gold leopard print bead. I think it's so cute. So I'm going to package these up. I'll show you guys how I do that as well, and we'll just see how this vlogging thing goes. Alright, so I just photographed and took some videos of these. Now I am ready to package them and send them off to their new home. So I use these little goodie bags here. I got these on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. These are perfect for keychains. They are perfect for like car coasters, car freshies. If you have car freshies that are small enough to fit in these. I'm not sure exactly what size these are, but I will have them linked. I'll pull them up on my Amazon orders. I think I got these in like a pack of 100, so they last a long time depending on how many you need, and they're really cheap too. So I just put them in here. Also, by the way, I will probably be in my kitchen for most of this vlog. My craft room honestly does not get used as often as I would like. That is because I still have young kids. My daughter is in kindergarten, so she's gone most of the day. But my son is 3. He will be 4 at the end of this month. So he is still home for the majority of the time. He does go to preschool 2 days a week, but he only goes for 2.5 hours. And it's just a lot easier to keep an eye on him when I am upstairs because my craft room is downstairs in the basement. So to be completely honest, my craft room really gets used for epoxy, and that's about it right now. So hopefully one day in the future that would change, because I would love to be able to craft in my pretty little craft room. But yeah, for now it's just easier to keep an eye on him while he's home most of the day. So I bring my glitters and stuff upstairs, and so most days I just bring the supplies that I need upstairs, and I will work up here in my kitchen where I can keep an eye on him. He doesn't like to stay downstairs for very long, and then he's yelling for me like, "Mom, hey, where are you?" or "Mommy, I need help." So that's why I'm not in my craft room. I would like to be able to craft down there all the time, but you gotta do what you gotta do. It's mom life. Okay, so I got all of these in their little goodie bags. Now I'm just going to package these up in this Polymailer right here and wrap them with bubble wrap, and then I will print the shipping label and it'll be ready to go. Trying to figure out the best way to stack these. They're a little bit difficult to stack with the beads, but I think we'll be just fine. Alright, I have this second piece of bubble wrap that I put around those, and I am going to just secure that with this cute little sticker. It says "Babes Support Babes." I don't remember where I got these. I love buying packaging stickers, so I buy them sometimes off Facebook, like D-stash places or posts that I see. So if I can find where I got these cute little stickers, I'll definitely link those. I don't know. I see cute stickers on Facebook and I just buy them. So I actually need to get some more. Okay, so once I put those in bubble wrap, I'm going to stick these down in this Polymailer. And then I'm just going to fold this over. And then I'll be able to take the strip off and just attach it. And then I'll have a perfect little surface area thing for my shipping label. There we go, super cute. I'll stick my shipping label right here. I will drop it off to the post office today. This Polymailer is from a company that used to be called Mrs. Moto Mailers. She has since rebranded and her company is now called Marley Ray Mailers. I don't know if she still has this design on her website, but I will definitely link her down below. She's got a ton of cute things, super affordable. Actually, that might be where I got these stickers as well, because I know she has packaging stickers. She's also got some package fillers if you want to send some cute little goodies to your customers, but I will have her link down below. I'm going to throw a shipping label on this, and then it'll be ready to take to the post office today. Alright guys, so it is now like 12:30. I just dropped my son off to school. I'm now in my craft room. It's time to epoxy these bee babies, and I also need to spray paint my other 2 cups that I need to work on, and it's raining outside. And it's going to be raining most of the week, so that's fun. I'm going to have to crouch down underneath the pool deck and then run inside so I don't mess my spray paint up. But that's the plan for right now. I'm going to epoxy these, spray paint the other ones, and it's pretty much all I have to do for today. I'm going to epoxy these and then do a flood coat later tonight, and then that way tomorrow they will be ready for a little bit of sanding and the decals so I can do the peekaboo. So that's pretty much the rest of the day. If I have anything exciting to show later, I'll hop back on. If not, I will record my day tomorrow, and I'm going to try to make this like a weekly vlog. So, like I said, we'll see how it goes. Let's get these epoxied. Oh, I'm crouched down underneath my pool deck so I can spray paint this. Oh man, the things we do. The things we do to create pretty things. Alright, so I got my cups glittered, and now I'm just going to work on the alcohol ink portion of this. I just cut up a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, and I just dumped my alcohol inks onto that and then dab this on. I do have a tutorial on this cup. If you want to see it, it's on my channel, so you can look for that. Hey guys, so as luck would have it, I'm already off to a super inconsistent start with this whole vlogging thing. I look a hot mess today, so I threw a filter on. My husband and son have whatever stomach bug is going around right now. My daughter had it on Saturday, and my husband and son started with it last night. I camped out in my son's room last night and got absolutely no sleep at all. Between him and my husband both being up sick all night. So I took the day off today to take care of them and sanitize the house and do laundry, a ton of laundry. So yeah, luckily I do work from home, so it's not a big deal to take the day off, but it doesn't feel good to not be productive. But family does come first, so fingers crossed that the stomach bug does not hit me, and I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is already almost 1 o'clock, but I just dropped my son off to preschool, and my daughter is at school right now also. So I am going to start epoxying these preschool medallions. I am doing them for my son's preschool. I have 49 of them to do, and I think this is only about 30 of them. So I have a lot of work to do. And that's the plan today. While he's at school, I can just turn on some YouTube and epoxy these and just kind of get in the groove. So that's the plan for today. I also applied the decals for my honeybee tumblers this morning, but I cannot spray paint those today because it's raining all day. I'm going to hold off and spray paint those tomorrow because it's supposed to be really nice tomorrow. So this is the plan for right now, and I'll check in with you guys later. Alright you guys, so I got all of these epoxied. I still have 17 of them to do. This took me about an hour, so still got a little bit of work to do on them, but I will have them done in plenty of time for the preschool graduation and like the 3-year-old program. They're doing like a 3-year-old program and then like the graduation. So I did them last year too. I did them a little bit differently this year. Last year, I did all of them with water slides. Took me a ton of time. This year, I sublimated all of these. These blanks are from Zindy. They're their white acrylic blanks, and you can actually sublimate on all of Zindy's blanks. So that cut my time down a lot. So now I just have to epoxy them and assemble them with the lanyard and the jump ring. Then they'll be ready to go. So I have about 30 minutes before I have to go pick up my kids. So I'm going to sit down and take a little break for just a second. And I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I am just remembering to vlog for the day. Also, excuse my steering wheel. Today I just painted my honeybee tumblers and removed the decals for that and got all those epoxied. I also worked on some senior keychains that I'm getting ready to release in my Facebook group and Etsy. And I'm probably going to take most of tomorrow off because my kids are off from school for Good Friday and my husband should be off work as well. So yeah, this wasn't a very exciting first vlog, but my life isn't very exciting. I will check back in with you guys maybe one more time this week before I put this video up, but I hope you guys had a great week and I'll see you in my next vlog.